This video describes how to set up a Waved hub at a Waved installation, how to make sure it is connected to the internet, and how to link the hub to a new or existing client. Before setting up the Waved hub, there are a few prerequisites that have to be met. Firstly, the hub needs to be connected to power. Secondly, the installer must have a computer which is either connected to the same network as the hub, or is directly connected to the hub via an Ethernet cable. Finally, the computer needs to have Waved's HubFinder software installed. The HubFinder software will be distributed to installers from Waved centrally. If all of these prerequisites are met, the hub setup can begin. To begin, run HubFinder on the installer computer. If HubFinder can only find one hub on the network, it will open the version of the Waved application which is hosted on the hub itself in a web browser. If multiple hubs are found on the network, select the one you want to set up. Since the hub hasn't been set up yet, the hub setup view is shown in the Waved application. The first step when setting up a hub is to make sure that it is connected to the internet. Choose if you want to connect to the internet via Ethernet or Wi-Fi. If Ethernet is selected, and it shows as connected, simply press Continue. If the hub should be connected via Wi-Fi, select Wi-Fi. The hub will scan for available Wi-Fi networks and provide a list of the results. Select the one you want to connect to, type in the password, and press Connect. After connecting, press Continue. The next step is to connect the Waved hub to a customer. Choose if the hub should be set up on a new customer or an existing customer. If New Customer is selected, fill in the required information in the text fields below. Username should be the name of the venue with all lowercase letters, and the password should be either generated or chosen by the customer. Once the required information is filled in, press Create Customer. If successful, the username and ID of the newly created customer should show under Selected Customer. Press Complete Setup. After setup is complete, the installer will automatically be linked to the installation view of the Waved application to continue configuration. If the hub should be set up for an existing customer, select Existing Customer in the customer configuration. Type the username of the desired customer and press Load Customer. The username and ID of the loaded customer should show under Selected Customer. The installer can change the selected customer for setup by pressing Change Customer. When the correct customer is loaded, press Complete Setup to complete the hub setup process and be linked to the installation view.